Welcome to Smart Academy. We are giving MSc Physics entrance online classes. Today I am going to discuss the concept of vectors and types of vectors. So today our topic is vectors. So before going to this topic, what is physical quantity? So any physical quantity which is measurable, then we can call as physical quantity. So measurable quantity. So any measurable quantity is physical quantity. So then the types of physical quantities. Vector. See what is vector? So a physical quantity, it has magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Then it has to follow addition law. So in the addition law, parallelogram law and commutative law. So a vector, it has magnitude and direction, then as well as it has to follow addition laws, that is parallelogram law and commutative law. So what is parallelogram law, what is commutative law, we will see later. So here examples for this vector. Displacement. See here, just this physical quantity we check here. A boy is walking towards east. So the direction should be always like this. The boy is walking towards east, 5 meter. That means this is a physical quantity, displacement, but he is walking towards one direction, that is east. So the 5 meter towards east. See here, this is magnitude, east is direction. So the displacement is vector quantity, that it has magnitude and direction. If we go for one more example, velocity. Velocity also displacement by time. So a car is traveling 2 km per second towards east or towards west. So here 2 km per second is magnitude, towards east is direction. So velocity also vector quantity. Next, one more time we will see here scalar. See here vector, it has to follow magnitude and direction. It has magnitude and direction, but here only magnitude. The scalar quantities has only magnitude but no direction. That means I taken here example displacement. How I am taking distance. See what is the difference here? Here a boy is walking towards east 5 meter. So a boy is walking 5 meter. I am not mentioning towards. That means there is no direction, particular direction. Which side he is walking. So that means here only magnitude but no direction. So the physical quantity only which is having magnitude but no direction, those quantities we can call it as scalar quantities. So I explain now vector and scalar. So then we move to types of vectors. Types of vectors. first unit vector. The unit vector is generally vector has magnitude and direction. So unit vector here only it is there, the magnitude is equal to 1. So a vector which is having magnitude equal to 1, the vector we can call it as unit vector. So examples: I, J and K. These are the unit vectors along x-axis, y, z. Along x-axis is I cap. So J unit vector, along z-axis K unit vector. So next we move to equal vectors. So here the term is equal. Equal means vector which is vector has magnitude and direction. So these two are, if it is equal, then those two vectors we can call equal vectors. So take A and B vectors. It is having magnitude. It is also magnitude, direction. Magnitude if it is equal for A and B, then direction also if it is equal. So the direction of the magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B, then the direction of A equal to direction of B, then these two vectors are equal vectors. So if we move for one more, zero vector. What is zero vector? So a vector which is having magnitude equal to 0. If the vector has magnitude is 0, then we can call it zero vector. So up to now I explained what is physical quantity, what is vector, what is scalar, types of vectors. I taken here only 3 types here. Unit vector which is having magnitude is equal to 1, equal vectors, the both vectors have same magnitude, same direction. Zero vector, the vector has zero magnitude. Thank you.